No, esa no.
Ah, por ahí de veras, ¿verdad? Pero
Yeah.
así se puede decir.
No, yo sé.
Nomás no aviente las altas porque hay gente que sí se molesta.
Sí, ajá. Déjame tomarle una foto para mi YouTube. Okay, Dad.
Así puede sonar bien. No
Okay.
pasa nada.
Okay, Dad.
Órale pues.
See you. See you, Dad.
Okay.
Oh man, right. Let's go home after being with my parents for a cool minute. We had some chicken and salad because we're trying to be healthy, but now we're going home. For those of you guys that are new here, this is a Mercedes 2008 E350. Just so you guys can see how smooth this car is at night. We're gonna take some freeways, and overall it's gonna be like a 15-17 minute drive home. So you guys are in for a good POV video. Right, we got a yellow light. Let's go. And then tomorrow I need to clock in at 5 o'clock in the morning. So that means I need to wake up around 4 o'clock. So that should be fun. Right now everyone's getting sick. Last week my son and I got sick. We just had like mucus and a runny nose. And right now I still have a runny nose and mucus, but I feel a little better. My son has already recovered. My mom was sick too, and my sister got sick, and then a lot of people that we know also got sick. So I don't know if it's like the weather change or if it's just something going around, you know, flu season. But yeah, if you're feeling sick, hopefully you guys get better. What happened? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's right. in the house?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm actually gonna try this. I'm gonna switch the camera so that you guys can see me. Oh, actually, look, it already switched since probably 8 o'clock this time. I wonder why. That's weird. Yeah, I switched the camera around. This is the first time I do this for a point of view video. I just think it'll be interesting for you guys to also see me. That's if you guys can see me. I know it's a little dark right now. If I turn on the lights, you guys can see me like right here. But I don't want to turn on the lights. It might not look as interesting, you know, as seeing the road, but I think this different camera angle is interesting too. You guys get to see my head movement, the decision making I'm doing in real time. I just think it'll be better during the day because right now at night you can hardly see me. So, oh, that car's doing neat. Oh no. I'll switch it over right now because low-key right now at night I'm not really liking how it looks. It's too dark. And you guys are basically seeing nothing. That's better. Oh man. Oh, there's a nice shot. Looks nice. Let's see if I can take a picture of this for the thumbnail. Oh, it looks a little blurry. Damn, that low-key looks terrible. There you go, green light. Oh, someone's crossing. This is a very lonely road. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. I'm really tired. And the door should open right there, no? Yeah. All right. And we are here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Click all the other videos that YouTube is going to recommend, and I'll see you guys on the next one.